Finna to come off here now. No, you ain't got nothing else underneath there.
Dirt, man.
Jesus,
Dirt, boy.
So all here, so literally go all cut out and put back in.
That big one. Rough out there too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it cracked there too.
Rough's gonna be easy, boy. Start there, look going on, I'm poking right now.
Hey, it gotta come out either way.
Yeah, but that's me.
Right, so that's one fender. It's just that the dog, cause you had a rat up inside there, right?
$1.
Yeah, those are trained them best to get at he would.
Yeah. You can watch it, still working?
Yeah, that's still work.
This is still working now?
Yeah, that, well, not no, but before it was still working. Shoot, man. Oh, okay, sweet.
Same push force, pull out. Yeah, that one.
I could as well put this here.
I'm going water,
Full of water too, boy.
I'm going to smash cruel, boy.
But how it gained there though?
One toy lengths.
There it is.
Lengths, huh?
Yeah, from right there. Alright, whatever.
Find this car clean here.
It's still alright, man. This here's all wrong it though.
Huh?
This screw here,
What?
it wrong it. It might truly hot sign there saying though. Got ambo all that right now.
Okay.
Yeah, lucky boy. You wouldn't know feel it.
Have some in there?
It kind of. Okay guys, there 4. And yesterday when I start working, I just didn't bother to go inside to get the camera or anything. I was in a working spirit, so I just start working. I would have really liked to show how the engine came out. We literally lifted it out by hand. So right now it's just a gearbox to come out, and then windscreen and rear glass to come out. So far the chassis ain't look too bad, honestly. Just want a little clean up. But aside from that, chassis pretty decent, so I'm pretty glad for that. There are some areas though, like here, seem to get bodywork before, but all the areas ain't the most horrible. They for sure do need some work though. Huh? No, I got a thing from both sides. Alright. Oh, rest it there for now. Alright. I think that should be good. Cannot play the game with this. I lean it against the thing. As soon as my father come home, I can have done the road. My glass out. Sweet! Got the rust here. Yeah, that's your team. All here get bodywork already up. All they do is just put fill up on it. They may paint it, they may do nothing.
Iron and use heat.
Something.
It's hard.
Got a bunch of golden apple seeds and all kind of things up inside here. I believe what he could go do, he could go cut this and take this off.
He have BodyWork,
Yeah, I see.
I mean, that's the worst part of the car, though, down that car,
Yeah, down here's the worst part.
He said doors,
Yeah.
back glass.
Yeah. It got screws?
Yeah, screw it.
Sweet. A good thing you see that. I got a little spot here with the backlight. Both backlights. Then you got another. Here's so how I get BodyWork already too. Body went well on it. I just do the most foolishness.
What part of rusting is where it gets work? Didn't get work.
Yeah. If you look underneath there, you can see all up underneath here, so how it work.
Yeah, boy. That's real rusting.
Yeah. The person there do a pretty good job at all.
Let me do a job at all and just put on something to make it look.
Yeah. I probably just clap some paint in it.
Yeah.
And that was the end of that. Yeah, you're right. If anything, we should be able to just, hey, nobody don't drop out. Alright. Yeah. Front glass out, back glass out. Oh shoot! Woo! Woo! Huh? Yeah, boy, no slip in my hand, boy. Her don't get so weak. Go. Watch your face there.
Yeah.
All back here get BodyWork, look. All inside there good. But here so as well. All that there bad. Might uncover more rust back here.
Probably.
Move now.
Something had eggs, had babies.
What do you mean babies? Eh. Probably a lizard or something.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Surprise? No rust?
Jeez, I only got a hole there.
A hole?
Yeah. I feel like couple cockroaches, yeah. You ready, guys? There, big boy.
You see how much no come out of the door in there?
When a good day today.
Yo.
You running against the her, big man. You can't get there, not today. Hopefully, so far right now though, I feel like basically whole car strip though. It ain't much more rust I should be able to find anywhere. Unless you got some down behind the back bumper. That's probably the only other place I might find some rust. I'll do this. Ow. Alright. That's the back bumper off. Oh, here get BodyWork, look. Oh, here get BodyWork already. Everything basically off. You can see where all the popping areas are. So that's one. I find mainly corners got the most. And then obviously the main screen being that it wasn't even sticking on properly. It was literally just there. Engine bit okay, just the usual area on these older cars where it will got brake fluid leaking by the master cylinder and that kind of thing. Here on the left side is the most horrible bit. Right. Oh. Oh, the left side is the most horrible part. So that's probably where the rat was living, up inside there. Back glass come out pretty easy too, so you got some areas here. And the doors. Right now you can see all the areas that I had BodyWork before. And those areas as well, rusting back out again. All underneath here, this body do a wonderful job. So all that rusting back out. All here get BodyWork. So all these places was hidden underneath everything. So that's the hole there. Yeah. This door definitely can't use, but yeah, they get somebody right down at the bottom. For the year it is, I guess, what you find on it is expected. Really can't get away from it. It's a pretty old car either way. Yeah. At this point, it's just get the car to BodyWork man and get this show started. And we should got a different car the next 5 weeks, hopefully, once everything runs smoothly. And the major challenges, body working it and that kind of stuff. I believe that will be all for today, and stay tuned for the next bit of this video.